Hey there, I'm so excited you are here. My name is Christy Nystrom. I'm founder of Team Fit Fun Fearless. I've been coaching since April 2015. I live in Kirkhoven, Minnesota, a small town in west central Minnesota, middle of nowhere. I'm a full time marriage and family therapist, full time mom, and full time health and success coach. Today's topic that I'm going to be talking about is building relationships. Building relationships is going to be one of the biggest things that you do in this business, whether it's coaches, challengers, or just people following you. Getting started is super important to create a working list and to track. So, first, thinking about people that you can start genuine conversations with. That's how we're going to start building relationships. And you need to start practicing that. So, start talking to people out in public and on social media each day. Like, don't have to go, hey, I'm a Beachbody coach. I'm doing this and this and this. Have you ever heard of 21 Day Fix? You just want to start having conversations, like practicing saying, hey, how are you? I love that shirt. Where'd you get it? That sort of thing. Or what kind of dog is that? Just getting you used to having genuine conversations with people. Some people are more natural at it, other people struggle. So it's a good idea just to start practicing. The more that you practice, the better that you're going to get at doing it on social media and in person. Finding people on social media can be super, super scary, especially when you first start. So I'm going to attach a link on how to find people to talk to. Take a look at the video, watch it, and start putting that into practice. You don't have to be a social media expert, and you don't have to have a ton of friends already on social media. You just have to be passionate about helping other people and be genuine. So once you find people to chat with, there are some really basic ways to start connecting with them. The first is to form. Form is an acronym, FORM. F is for family. So we're going to start conversations, and we're going to start with F. Do they have a family, a spouse, etc., like parents, maybe someone that you know that is a part of their family. So talking about family. O is occupation. What do they do for a living? Do they stay at home with their kids? Do they work away from the home? Are they traveling? Are they doing something really crazy, inspiring that you think is awesome? Start talking about their occupation. R is recreation. So what are they doing for fun? Do they play sports? Do they like to camp, go to the beach, hike, travel? What's their thing that they like to do? And then the last part is message. So after you get to know them a little bit, you want to get all of those things down. So family, occupation, recreation. Then you can start tailoring your invitation for them to join you in a challenge. So maybe it's like, hey, I know we were talking about this marathon that you're training for. Have you ever thought about supplementing with Shakeology for your nutrition, or talking about PiYo and how it really helps improve your running? So that sort of thing. You have that information now because you've talked about it and you've had a genuine conversation about it. And it helps them see that you are paying attention to them and what they have going on in their life. It's about sincerely wanting to get to know people. So always be sincere. Sincerity is going to be the cornerstone of your business, and form people every single day. You don't have to worry about making a sale every single day. Some of these people will never be in a challenge group, but you want to build those relationships. The second format is the CCQ. So that is comment, compliment, and question. An example of that, like a really quick message, would be, hey gal, saw your post today about your little one. He is so cute. I have a 3-year-old as well, and they are so much fun. What are your favorite things to do with preschoolers? I'm always looking for new ideas. So you have commented that you saw her post, that you're paying attention to what she's doing, right? You've probably also liked it. That would be a good idea. Or loved it, or laughed at it, or whatever, with all of the new Facebook options. But you have complimented her. So you've said that her child's cute. That's huge, right? And someone says your child's cute, you're like, yeah, I know. And then you've asked a question. So what are your favorite things to do with a preschooler? Now you've connected with her on something that isn't salesy. It's not about a challenge group. You want to know some cool ideas to do with your kids. adding value in all of your posts and messages. So now, she responds back to you. You have an opportunity to add some value back. These are some things that I like to do with my child, that sort of thing. So adding value to all your posts and messages. You really want to help people, and you really want to get to know them, and show them the value of having you in their life, not just a product. Because at the end of the day, that's what sets us apart as coaches, that our challengers not only get an amazing fitness program and amazing nutrition, they get us. And if we're not doing a good job of adding value into their life, if we're not taking time to get to know them and to find out what's driving them and to connect with them on that level, then we're not really giving them the full experience. So add value. Remember that it's important that they know how important it is to have you in their life. Again, I attached a link to help you find more people to build relationships with. So there are 2 assignments. Watch the video in the link and add 5 new people to your network today. Then send 5 messages using either the form or the CCQ method, and send an example of your messages to your upline coach. So the upline coach that invited you to this training, let them know that you've added 5 people. You can send them the names, and then also an example of a message that you've sent. So 5 messages using either the form, which is family, occupation, recreation message, or the CCQ. So comment, compliment, question. Good luck and enjoy your training.